Namaste, my name is Vanya Mishra and I'm from India. I happened to visit the Muktangan school here in Mumbai, where I met the director of the organization. She took me out on a trip to the school premises, and I realized that the school is not just teaching the underprivileged children, but at the same time, methodology that they have adapted to teach their children is something which is very unique. They don't just focus on imparting education, but they also focus on organic growth of their children. Another very unique feature of Muktangan that they are encouraging people from the community to come forward and educate children.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, so we're going to start today.
These people are not very educated themselves, but they are so very confident now. They're encouraged, most importantly, to come forward and impart education to these children. मुझे आप लोगों से ये जानना है that what basically motivated you to join Muktangan?
One is I have small child for that, and second I have not completed SSC. Now I completed SSC and HSC also.
When they go back home, they can even help their children, and at the same time they are being employed. They are becoming independent, which is something very unique and which is, I think, a great idea to go forward with. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Mayuri.
The way Muktangan handles the special children is also very touching to see, because I happened to meet a few special children and how they were being taught by the teacher. They feel like any other normal child because they're learning the same thing, they are a part of the same class group, they're interacting with them, they're sitting along with them. So, you actually making them acceptable to the society. Okay, say bye.
Say bye.
Bye. आप लोग मुझे बताएंगे यहाँ पे किसकी तैयारी हो रही है?
ये बच्चों के लिए फ्रूट हम लोग
बच्चों के लिए फ्रूट काट रहा है. Muktangan also makes sure that these children are fed properly and their nutrition is taken care of. So for that, they have introduced this concept of fruit a day, and also at the same time they serve khichdi, which is a very healthy Indian traditional meal. I think it's a very beautiful concept that they've introduced. I also got a chance to meet the youngest children of the school, the pre-primary standard, which was, I think, so cute. I was so, amused to see that how confident and how smart basically these young kids were. And this kind of teaching is actually doing so much good to these children that I feel so very proud that something like Muktangan is existing in my country today.